Hello bikers, welcome to another educational episode from Moto Extreme. In this episode, you will learn how to behave on the roads and see some interesting moments caught on bikers' camera. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. This driver is attempting to hit the biker on purpose. We're not sure why he's trying to do that, but it might be an insurance scam? Who knows?
Whoa, 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 go, go. Whoa. You ass. You oh. What are you doing? I was passing you. Yes, you are the kid. Hit me?
Yeah, why up? Do something?
Do something. Come on.
Wait.
Okay. To me, you kill me.
You tried to kill me. You don't drive like that. You wanna eat?
You're gonna be online. You're gonna be. Wow, you are so intelligent, man.
Yeah.
You're
You
intelligent.
wanna do something?
What?
You wanna do something? Don't record the camera.
You wanted to kill me.
No, I don't wanna kill you.
You wanted to kill me. Everything is on camera. You wanted to kill me. Everything is on camera. You. Wow. Whoa. 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 Yeah.
Bikers, if you want your clip to be featured just like this one, make sure to submit it to the link in the description. But for now, enjoy the video.
You're not or something.
This bus driver saw the biker and still pulled out anyway. He didn't even apologize and started a whole road rage.
You're gonna apologize for what? Look where you're going next time, you dickhead. You see that? I got it on camera.
This driver almost hit the biker twice on purpose. She then starts yelling and acts like the biker is at fault.
Bă, tu ești normală la cap. Stai că te iau la poliție. Stai. Stai că te iau la poliție, te măta de proastă.
Wait for it, bikers. Wait for it.
Literally stuck. Seriously, I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. My bike is so sunk into the mud and stuck at the end.
This biker got stuck in the middle of the forest when God sent him an absolute hero called Nathan Millward. Nathan went out of his way to help the biker and get him on the roads again. Take a look.
You got road tyres? No. You can't tell, can you? They're decent tyres. Mate, I want to, if I can, reverse it and just reverse back into there. Go back the way I came. That's right. Hang on, the rear wheel's slipping down. Nathan's just rode my bike down the lane for me. It's nice. And walking is easier. Now the long, lonesome road home. I'm safe.
This driver was really struggling to go up the hill. This is when the bikers both stepped in and saved their day. Take a look. This biker had an adorable interaction with the kid. Take a look.
You want to give it a rev? Yeah? Go then. What's that? Oh, it's just good.
Careful where you park.
Oh yeah.
Ticket the other day.
Oh really? Yeah, no, I'm just popping in and out, I'll be fine. You want to give it a rev? No worries.
This biker captured a 2-car wreck while riding his bike. Luckily, nobody was injured.
Good, man. You need 911?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. All right, let me call. Are you okay, ma'am? Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just in shock.
Yeah, that happens.
My phone's in there. It smells like smoke, so I'm scared.
That's all right. Do you have a piece of paper real quick? I got everything on GoPro.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Thank God, she pulled out in front of me.
Huh?
She pulled out in front of me.
Yeah. I honestly don't know what happened, but yeah, I guess. Yeah, you did, because I was sitting there stopped.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, I don't have my knife.
It's okay to lean in there?
Yeah, man. You sure you're good? You don't need 911 or anything?
I'm a little panic. I think my knees are scratched up a little bit.
Yeah, that tends to happen. Oh, I found it, man.
Oh, thank you. Where'd you find it?
Right under the floorboard.
Oh.
I've lost it there before, so.
Should I call 911?
You probably have to call the cops and get a crash report kind of thing.
Okay, is this 911?
I think so.
I've never had
I think
this
they'll
before.
direct
Thank you
to
so
it.
much for helping me.
It's cool. No problem,
Stevens with a D.
You still good? Nothing hurt?
I mean, my knees are a little banged up, but I think I'll survive.
No 911 kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I should be fine.
I'm gonna give him my number because I probably caught it all on GoPro, and your insurance is probably gonna want the same thing.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry it doesn't turn out your
No,
way.
that's okay. I appreciate the dig.
But yeah, hopefully everybody has insurance. Your Fiat took that like a champ.
Say it again.
I said your Fiat took that like a champ.
Yeah. No, I know it's small and people make fun of it, but it's a pretty good, good car.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than that one as far as gotten out. Do you think you need anything from me?
No,
metal.
thank
Okay.
you so much. That should be good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Sorry your guys' day started off like this.
No, it's alright.
This biker was riding his Yamaha bike when he crashed. He says this is fully his fault. This was his first crash and it taught him a lot. Luckily, he wasn't injured. Bikers, this is exactly how you should react when you witness a crash.
झ्याप्पी रुक्यो म पनि झ्याप्पी आइरहेको थिएँ यार
This biker says he has ridden through this corner so many times that he didn't really pay attention to the ditch on the side of the road. Once he pulled out, he was in too high of a gear and the engine cut out right in the middle of the corner. He tried putting his left foot down, but the issue was that there was a big ditch, so his foot couldn't reach the ground, causing him to fall into the ditch. Luckily, he wasn't injured. This biker was riding with his friend when his friend crashed into him and he fell off his bike. Luckily, he wasn't injured.
Sorry about it.
I was on next to him and he was going to swing out wide. I guess he didn't know I was right next to him.
Yell out.
I did right before that curve and I thought I saw that you would recognize me.
Well, I didn't see anything.
This biker dumped his bike on some wet leaves in a corner. He bought replacement parts and installed them. Turns out the gear linkage needed to be tightened as well, and he had to learn that the hard way.
You wanna... Great. Fantastic. I have literally no way to change gears. And my ass is wet to top it all off. Fantastic.
These bikers were riding when they noticed a flipped over car, so they decided to step in and help overturn it. Much respect to them for taking time out of their day to help.
Okay, I'm gonna say it, say. Mali. No, 1, 2, 3, whoa!
This is exactly why you don't do stunts on public roads. This biker dropped his bike when going up on a curb. Luckily, he wasn't injured.
Son of a...
This biker was riding around when he captured a car that had crashed into a wall. Luckily, the driver wasn't injured.
Oh shit, what fluid is that? He was running on milk. Jeez, they made shit off the wall.
This truck had a huge plastic bag hanging out of it. The biker tried signaling them to stop, but it looks like they didn't understand him and kept on driving till the unexpected happened. Take a look.
Olha não. Tá com esse negócio voando, ó. Aí, ó. Olha a cagada, irmão. Tá voando o negócio ali. Me voou o plástico no rosto ali, cara. Tá caindo o negócio da tua caçamba, homem. Tá louco?
People, this is exactly why you don't text and drive.
The f you stopping at a green light for, you dumb f. What's wrong with people, man? Stupid head. What was that? Oh man. Well, that's like top right there.
This driver didn't want the biker to get next to him for some reason. What was he thinking?
You do it. Thank you, buddy. He's just been a
Well, I guess that's a new way to ride your bike safely.
Rara de jacaré, quer ver, ó? Jacaré motoqueiro. Dois na moto. Espécime rara de jacaré. Só quem vai pegar a referência aí é quem conhece.
Ever wonder what it's like riding through a river? Take a look. Remember, bikers, never ever do this yourselves.
There's Roger coming across. Hopefully I don't gotta swim for him. He swam for me. Come on. You got it, baby. Come on. You're there.
Drivers, please slow down and stay in your lane.
Whoa, shit.
I would say this is 100% the biker's fault. Please never ever do wheelies on public roads. Drivers, please use your mirrors. They're made to be used. Bikers, slow down and never ever speed like this. People, please remember, whoever's already in the roundabout has the right of way. Bikers, whenever you see something in the middle of the road, make sure to pull over and throw it away, just like this hero right here.
You right? Yes, I'm picking up the log that's on the road.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. Wait. No worries. All good. Yep, all clear.
Well, looks like the bag decided to give this biker an unexpected visit. As we always say, bikers, when you notice something in the middle of the road, make sure to pick it up and throw it away. Bikers, we just uploaded this video and the clips are even better than what you just watched. Click here to watch it. I'll be waiting for you over there. Oh, and don't forget, if you want your clip featured in the next video, submit it by clicking the link below.